Exercise 2.2 Problem 8 Discussion. Let's read the problem. The 10th and the 18th term of an AP are 41 and 73 respectively. Find the 27th term. Okay, let's mark what is given in the problem. It's an AP first. It's an AP. Okay, the 10th term is 41. The 18th term is 73. I guess that's all is given, so let's write it. T10 equal to 41, that's the 10th term. T18 is 73. Right? What is asked? We are asked to find T27th. So that is the 27th term. So T27 is what we need to calculate. So let's write the formula for T27. That is Tn is the formula. Okay. So Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. When you put n equal to 27, we'll be able to get T27. But you see, A is not known, D is also not known. Two unknowns are there. So we will not be use this formula as of now. So, but you look at it, they are given T10 and T18. So if you put n equal to 10, you will get A plus 10 minus 1. That is 9D. A plus 9D will be equal to 41. You will get one equation. When you put n equal to 18, so T18, that is equal to A plus 18 minus 1, 17. So A plus 17D will be 73. So you will get two equations in A and D. If you solve those two equations, that's a simultaneous equation, you will be able to get the value of A and D. Once you get the value of A and D, you substitute them in this equation to calculate T27. Okay, so that's how this problem is to be done. What I'll do is that let me summarize the steps here for you. Let A be the first term and D be the common difference. Right? Because unless we know A and D, we cannot go forward. Equate T10 to 41. They have given T10 is 41 using this formula. That is T10 equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, and that's a formula, right? But n is 10, so it becomes 10 minus 1 into D, that's equal to 41, which is given. So you simplify this, what will happen? A plus 10 minus 1 is 9, so A plus 9D will be equal to 41. So you got an equation for A and D. One equation we have already got. So you got to do the same thing for T18. T18 equal to A plus n is 18, so 18 minus 1 into D equal to 73. So this will lead to A plus 17D equal to 73. Two unknowns are there, A and D. We have two equations. Solve this equation, you will be able to get the value of A and D. Once we have A and D, substitute that here, A, whatever value of A and whatever value of D we get, and put n equal to 27, you will be able to get T27. So we need to solve these two. Solve equation 1 and equation 2 and get the values of A and D. Once we have the values of A and D, substitute the values of A and D and n equal to 27 in the formula Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D to get the value of 27. You got it? So it looks little difficult, but it's not so once you break the problem into smaller steps and have a clear steps. Now we have the steps, so what I suggest is you pause the video here and work this problem in your notebook, and after completion come back and check your working against our solution. Okay, now this is solution. What is given? T10 equal to 41 and T18 equal to 73. So let A be the first term, D be the common difference. General term is given by Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 D. Okay. So what will happen? T10 is A plus, substituting n equal, put n equal to 10 here and equate that to 41, because we know T10 is 41. So all you need to do is put n equal to 10. Put 10 equal to 10, you get T10, that's equal to A plus n minus 1, that is 10 minus 1 into D, but the value of T10 is given here as 41. So all these things is equal to 41. So this will become A plus 10 minus 1 is 9. So A plus 9D will be 41. Similarly, T18 will be A plus 18 minus 1 into D. That's equal to 73 because they have given us T18 as 73. So this will become A plus 18 minus 1, that is 17D will be 73. So two variables A and D, and there are two equations. If you look at it, when you subtract, the coefficient of A is 1, so it can be solved by elimination method. Okay, so 2 minus 1. You can do 1 minus 2 also, but you will get negative answer, negative D. So to minimize that, what I'm trying to do is 2 minus 1. 17 is bigger than 9, right? So you'll get positive. So 2 minus 1, A and A will get cancelled. You will get 17D minus 9D will be equal to, the right side also has to be subtracted. So 73 minus 41. Okay, so 73 minus 41 is on the right hand side. So 17D minus 9D will be 8D. 73 minus 41 is 32. So 8D equal to 32. So D will be 32 by 8. That will be equal to 4. Okay, now you substitute the value of D equal to 4 in any one of the equations. We will take equation 1, which will become A plus 9D. So 9 into D is 4, we have calculated. That's equal to 41. So this will become A plus 9 4s are 36 equal to 41, or A will be equal to 41 minus 36. So that's equal to 5. Okay, now we have the value of A, which is 5. We have the value of D equal to 4. Substitute these values in the generic formula. Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We have to put A as 5, D as 4, and n as 27, because we want to know 27th term. So D27 will be equal to A is 5 plus n equal to 27. 27 minus 1 into D. D is 4. Okay, so this becomes 27 minus 1 is 26. So 26 into 4 is 104. So 5 plus 104, that's equal to 109. Thus the 27th term is 109. Okay, so the key is, instead of giving you A and D directly, they have given it indirectly by giving two terms. That is, they have given the value of the 10th term and the 18th term. So using that information, you will get two equations. Solve that equation and get the value of A and D. Then use the value of A and D in the generic formula and get whichever term you want, 27th term or 50th term. If you put n equals to 50, you will get 50th term. If you put n equal to 15, you will get 15th term. Okay, so that's how this problem is to be done. Now I hope you got the problem right. If not, please check where you have gone wrong and make suitable correction. If you have not understood the concept, please go back to the video. But I suggest now also you go back after getting it right, also visit the discussion part of the video to clearly understand the concept. Okay, thanks for watching the video.